Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for Neet. I will discuss with you the most expected biology questions for Neet 2024 at regular interval, and definitely it will help you to crack the Neet exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Let's keep the community growing. And obviously also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment sections. Now the question is, match the following disease with their causative organisms and select the correct option given below. There are the names of diseases in the list 1 and the names of causative organisms in the list 2. The options are here. We know the typhoid is the disease caused by Salmonella typhi, pneumonia is caused by Haemophilus, filariasis is Ucheridia bancrofti, and malaria is caused by Plasmodium. So the answer will be option 1. Now we'll go for the next question. It is also matching. Match the following disease with the causative organism and select the correct option given below. Column 1 contains the list of diseases and column 2 contains the causative organism. Gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. We know the options are here. We know syphilis is caused by Treponema. Genital warts are caused by human papillomavirus, and AIDS is caused by HIV. So the answer is option 1. Now we'll go for the next question. Which of the following sets of disease is caused by bacteria? Option 1 cholera and tetanus, option 2 typhoid and smallpox, option 3 tetanus and mumps, option 4 herpes and influenza. Here the answer will be option 1 cholera and tetanus, because in option 2 smallpox is a viral disease not caused by bacteria, option 3 mumps is a viral disease not caused by bacteria, and in option 4 influenza is a viral disease which caused by flu virus. Now I'll go for the next question. Which of the following is the correct regarding AIDS causative agent HIV? The options are: HIV is enveloped virus containing one molecule of single-stranded RNA and one molecule of reverse transcriptase. Second option, HIV is enveloped virus that contains two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase. Third one is HIV is enveloped retrovirus. Fourth is HIV does not escape but attacks the acquired immune response. The answer will be option 2, because the human immunodeficiency virus causes AIDS and interferes with the body's ability to fight infection. The structure of the virus is such that it is enveloped with a viral envelope inside which two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA molecule and two molecules of reverse transcriptase are present. The reverse transcriptase enzyme generates viral DNA inside the host by using viral RNA as template. So the correct answer is HIV is enveloped virus that contains two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase. Now the last question is, which of the following statement is not true for cancer cells in relation to mutations? The options are: mutations inhibit production of telomerase, mutations in proto-oncogenes accelerate the cell cycle, mutations destroy telomerase inhibitor, mutations inactivate the cell control. Now the answer will be option 1, mutations inhibit the production of telomerase, because the ability to functional mutation, telomeres may be one mechanism that allow cancer cells to grow in vitro for decades. Telomerase activity is necessary to preserve many cancer types and is inactive in somatic cells, creating the possibility that telomerase inhibition could selectively repress cancer cells growth with minimal effects. If a drug or mutation can inhibit telomerase in cancer cells, the telomeres of successive generations will progressively shorten, limiting tumor growth. So the correct option is mutation inhibit the production of telomerase. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful if you enjoyed this one.